Here's the tutorial to graph a quadratic function. So quadratic function, it will either be like this or it's going to be like this. And you just need to spot the important points to graph accurately. In a quadratic function, y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So if a is bigger than 0, it is going to be upward sloping. If a is less than 0, it is going to be downward sloping. Then you need to find the vertex. Vertex is the maximum or the minimum. If you have an upward sloping, the vertex is going to be a minimum. If it is a downward sloping, the vertex is going to be a maximum. If you want to calculate the vertex, it's based on the formula minus b over 2a. Or you can also take x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So it is two x's taken at the same level. Basically, their y value is same. That is where you can take x1 and x2. You cannot take one here and let's say one here. No, you have to take it at the same level where their y value are the same. For example, you could also take their x-intercept. That's just an example. Then since the vertex is actually a point, you will also have to find the y value of the vertex. You basically just take the vertex and you plug it in the formula. That's it, to find the y. Y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So you replace the x with your vertex. That's it. The axis of symmetry. That's just the line that passes through the vertex. So you have your quadratic function like this or like this, then you would have the vertex, and then the axis of symmetry will just be that line that passes through that vertex. You need to find the x-intercepts. They are found through factorization. You can watch the different videos on how to factorize a quadratic function. You can use the quadratic equation, the sum product method, the completion of square. So multiple ways to factorize the equation. Those are basically values when y is equal to 0, then you need to find the value of x at that time. Then you also need to find the y-intercepts. That is when x is equal to 0, then you need to find the value of y. Here, while finding the y-intercept, as you know, at that point x is equal to 0, so y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So then when you replace the x with 0, you're just left with c. So your y-intercept is just equal to c. So when you're graphing a quadratic function, you need to know if it's upward sloping or downward sloping. You need to find the vertex, and you need to find the y-intercepts. You need to find the x-intercepts. And that's it. As you know already, it is either going to be like this or either going to be like this. So these are the only information you actually need. Then you just need to ensure symmetry. So the tip is just to take a random point and just to try to be more accurate.
Till then, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.